You stars. Welcome to another educational series with House of Malake. Today we will learn about the rubber hinges. Have you ever wondered how your sewing machine head stays stable despite the constant jerks and vibrations from a roaring clutch motor? Well, that's the magic of the rubber hinge. It absorbs shocks and keeps the machine head secure, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted sewing. Now, for peak performance, it's important that you replace your rubber hinge every 3 months. Really, changing those rubber hinges helps to ensure that you maintain your steeze when sewing. So, what are you waiting for? Let's keep the creativity rolling and keep your machine steady because every detail surely counts. Thank you for watching and make sure you stay tuned for day 5 of 100 challenge where we'll be learning more about our sewing machine parts and accessories. Bye.